How to change heart color on Instagram. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video we will learn how we can change heart color on Instagram. So without further delay, let's get started. So for that, you have to open up Instagram in your device and make sure that you're signing into your Instagram account. So to change your heart color, now you have to go to your chats. Tap on the chat icon at the top right and that's gonna take you to your chat piece. Once you're here, now you have to open up a chat where you want to change your heart color. Now head over to the message where you want to add a react or give a heart reaction. Tap and hold on it. So here you have the red color heart. To change into a different color, tap on the plus icon. Now you could scroll to it and then head over to heart section, and there you will find all of the different color of hearts. From here, now according to your preferred choice, you can add one. So now the color of heart is changed. So that's it. That's how you can change the heart color on Instagram. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.